Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use HK Vital's collagen and glutathione. These supplements are designed to enhance your skin health and overall well-being. We will cover the key benefits of each, from improving skin elasticity with collagen to boosting radiance with glutathione. You will also learn the simple steps for daily consumption to achieve the best possible outcomes. For HK Vital's collagen, simply take 1 scoop of the powder. Mix it thoroughly into 200 milliliters of cold water until it fully dissolves. You should consume this mixture once daily. For best results, maintain consistent use for a minimum of 8 weeks. Many users find it convenient to take it with their morning meal or before going to sleep. When using HK Vital's glutathione, the recommended dosage is 1 capsule per day. It is best taken with a meal to aid absorption. For those using effervescent tablets, dissolve 1 tablet in 200 milliliters of water. To experience significant benefits like enhanced skin glow, aim for consistent daily use over 2 to 3 months. Many prefer taking it in the morning or before bed. Combining HK Vital's collagen and glutathione offers synergistic benefits for your skin and overall health. While these supplements provide excellent support, remember they complement a healthy lifestyle. Ensure you maintain a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and protect your skin from sun exposure. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on other medications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.